Last day of school. Good morning. Carter crying. Don't cry na. Last day of school. And last day of school na baby Carter. Day of school. Last day of school.
放假我哋就放假，其實諗多咗啦你。
Monday to Friday. Ito po yung dinadaanan palagi namin ni Carter. So happy because today is last day of school. Carter last day of school. Never give up. Oh, see, never give up, Chai Hong. Still holding hands. Dito tayo dadaan kasi wala si Moymoy. Pag andyan si Moymoy, dun dito kami. Kasi dalawa lang kami ngayon. Wala si Moymoy. Kasi si Moymoy magpapacheck up mamaya. So, atay ko muna itong isa. Pagkatapos, punta ako sa Mindy. Maraming 30 minutes din yung paglalakad namin. Mo yung last day of school, oh. Ang mamimiss mo to, oh. Yan. Lapit na kami sa school ni Carter. May nagtatrabaho po. We apologize the inconvenience. Yan ang school ni Chong Chai Ho. Dito na kami. Ayan na yung school mo, ah. Congratulations kasi last day mo na ngayon. Papasok ka na sa ibang school. Next. Morning! Ay, sorry. No. Take care, Chai Hong. See you later. Last day. Bye-bye, teacher.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Next month go to new school.
Yeah, new school.
Okay. 好的，拜拜。
Bye.
哎呦，
係咪有冇出到黃華？